Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to extract audio using CapCut PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I am on my CapCut PC and I have already imported these two videos. This video right here has the audio that I want to extract, and I want to use the extracted audio on this video. Now let's begin. Initially, I'm simply gonna drag this video to the timeline. Now, since this file has the audio that I want to use, I'm simply gonna select it and right click. And right here you can find an option such as extract audio. Let's click on it. And as you can see, the audio has been extracted. Now you can delete the video. Now I want to use the extracted audio with this video. Now you can play it. It's completely up to you. You can also add beats or anything, but for now, I'm simply gonna cut off the audio right here. Now let's look at the video. And that's it guys. That's how you extract an audio using CapCut PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.